Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to yet another video here on the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a private server for Roblox's Dress to Impress. For more videos like this, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We do greatly appreciate it. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight into this. First things first, go ahead and pull up the Dress to Impress server by just searching it up at the very top and opening up the game page. Once you open up the game page right here, you're going to want to scroll down on this page until you do find the servers option. And now is probably a good time to say that this does work on the website or the app. It doesn't necessarily matter which one you do. Once you find this servers tab, go ahead and click on it and you'll see the option to create a private server. Now keep in mind this does cost 100 Robux right here, but it's definitely worth the investment if you do want to play with just your friends. Essentially hit create private server right here. And then there will be another option to hit create where it says go to Roblox store. From here, you're going to see the option to configure your server. If not, you'll just be able to navigate it to this same section right here and just click on these three lines to hit configure. And here you'll be able to not only allow joining, and yes, I know I'm using the grow a garden one right now to kind of showcase this, but you'll also be able to make it so only specific friends are allowed by hitting this add people section right here and searching up their username. If you don't want your friends to join, just go ahead and turn off friends allowed right here. But on top of that, you can make it so only specific people can join by making a join experience link right here by just clicking this generate button. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great day.